5 Notion tips to boost your productivity. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 super useful Notion tips that'll seriously boost your productivity. So stick with me till the end. You don't want to miss any of these. All right, let's get started with the first tip. Tip number 1 is using templates. Notion comes with a ton of built-in templates for everything from daily planners and content calendars to habit trackers and project dashboards. You can save a lot of time by using one that's already laid out nicely instead of building everything from scratch. Tip number 2 is to master slash commands. You can do almost anything in Notion by typing the slash key. So for example, type slash to-do to add a to-do list or slash calendar to drop in a full calendar view. It's way faster than hunting through menus and keeps your hands on the keyboard, which is always good for speed. Tip number 3 is using linked databases. If you've got a master task list or a big project database, but want to see only certain entries, like tasks due this week or content in progress, you can create a linked view of that database. Just type /linked database, pick the original one, then add filters. This way you avoid duplicating data and everything stays in sync. Tip number 4 is to set up recurring tasks with a simple workaround. Notion doesn't support automatic recurring tasks out of the box, but here's the trick. Create a recurring tasks template button that duplicates a pre-written task with a due date you can edit. So every time you click the button, your weekly or daily task pops up ready to go. Super helpful for routines. And finally, tip number 5, use Notion widgets. You can embed widgets like clocks, weather, quotes, Pomodoro timers, and more to customize your dashboard. Just search for Notion widgets online, copy the embed link, and paste it using the /embed command. It gives your workspace a personal touch and makes it a bit more fun to use. And that's it. These 5 Notion tips can save you a ton of time and help you stay way more focused and organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.